Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create dashboards and add components to your dashboards in your Salesforce organization. So from the home screen, I'm going to go ahead and hit dashboards on the navigation tab. Before we get started, it is important to remember to make sure that your source reports are clean and ready to go so we don't run into any issues when we add our components. So I'm going to go ahead and hit on new dashboard right here. Give the dashboard a name. You can add a description if you like, and I'm just going to select the folder that I want it to be located in. Hit on test folder, select that folder, and then create. To add components to this dashboard is really easy. You just click on the plus component sign, and it should pull up all the available reports that we can use. It's currently on the recent tab, so anything that I recently looked at is showing up right here. I'm just going to hit the at-risk members that we created previously. And the components panels should show up. So this components panel is really fun. There's a lot of stuff you can do to it to customize the chart to whatever you'd like. So at the top, it tells you the source reports. It gives you the option to use the chart settings. If you created a chart in the report that you want to use, you can do that. But since we didn't create a chart for this report, there's nothing we can use. So display as, this gives you the different chart options. And every time you click on them, it updates it on the right so you can see how it will look. So for this report, I'm going to use the stacked vertical bar chart. And these two right here, the stacked options are really only available if you have more than one grouping in the report, in your source report. So if you remember our at-risk member report, I grouped the data by created date and last modified by. That's why they're both here. And the y-axis, it shows us the record count. You can easily customize this as well if you would rather see the last modified by at the bottom and you want to see the created dates stacked instead. You can do that. And y-axis, we only have record count, so that's the only thing that's going to show up. And you can choose the stack by differently as well. You can display the units differently. If you want it to be like at a percentage, you can do that. If you want to have custom numbers for your y-axis, you can create that as well. I'm just going to keep it automatic for now. If you want to have decimal places, you can add it as well. If you want to sort it differently, right now it's sorted by created date, so it's in order. If you want it sorted by record count, the highest record count is in the last right here. You can make it ascending. Just gonna keep it like that. You can change the title right here. Change it to current at-risk members. If you want to add a subtitle to the chart, you can do that. If you want to add a footer, you can do that as well. And you can change the legend position right here. You can change it either right or the bottom, whichever works for you. As you can see, our subtitle showed up, our footer showed up. You can also adjust the theme. And once you hit add, the component shows up. And as you can see, it's easily drag and drop. You can adjust the size however you want. You can't add anything down here though. Something has to be at the top before you can add something at the bottom. And once you're done adding all your components, just hit save. Click done, and it should run the numbers and show you the updated numbers right here. That's it.